Guys, welcome back to my channel here on the Sam Tutorials. I really appreciate anytime you come here to watch something new. Looking on your screen, you can see I'm using an iPhone. From the lock screen to the home screen to and other gadgets on the phone on your screen, you could see is an iPhone. Guys, what I'm actually using is an Android phone. How will you be able to know that it's an Android phone? Just look at the settings. You will know that the phone I'm using is an Android phone. This doesn't look like an iPhone. Guys, today we'll be looking at how to install an ISO on our phone as easy as that, without any difficulty. Please, let's go straight into the video. What you are supposed to do so that you'll be able to have an ISO, an iPhone on your Android phone. So first you need to go to your Play Store on your phone. So this is my Play Store. Then I'll type in ISO 13. Then I'll have a lot of options here. Then I'll select the first one, iPhone 13 launcher. Then I'll click on install. So you need to wait for it to download and install on your phone before we proceed. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a video, you'll get a notification. So it has finished downloading and installing. So I click on open, and I'm going to take you through the process how to make your Android phone looks like an iPhone. So here they'll ask you to swap between the wallpaper and select one that you want. So in this case, you're going to select this one. Yes, I think this one is good. Then you click on get started. They'll ask you allow iPhone 13 launcher to take pictures and record videos. So you click on whilst using this app, then you allow, and they'll ask you please enable draw over other applications permission so that the application can work perfectly. So you click on enable now. When it opens, then you go to identify iPhone 13 launcher. They'll ask you if you want to manage an optimized notification for all applications. Then you click on enable now. Then you click on iPhone 13 launcher allowed. Will you want to use the whole of the iPhone 13 launcher home screen on your full screen? Then you click on it. Then you click get started. So now that is how it looks like. They'll ask you if you want to set the launcher as your default home. Then you click on select. Then you select the iPhone 13 launcher and you click on always. Once it opens, they'll ask you to go through this simple tour around the app so you'll be able to use it and use it well, just like that. It's not difficult. So this is how you'll be able to change your Android phone into an iPhone, just like that. So you could see that the home screen, you could see that this gadget looks like that of an iPhone even though the phone is an Android. So guys, that is how we change our phone, guys. So guys, that is how you can change your Android into an iPhone as easy as that. Thank you very much for taking some time to watch my video. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell so that anytime you release a video, you get a notification.